Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, November 13th. We're seeing some low clouds out there and patchy fog this morning. We did see a low this morning of 52 degrees, which is rather mild for this time of year. We also saw a total of 3.1 inches of rain between Thursday afternoon and yesterday. So quite a bit of rain fell across the area. We are going to be dry for a few days, not seeing rain again until perhaps Sunday night, and then entering a dry period after that. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we do have this low off of Cape Hatteras, which used to be Tropical Storm Ada. That is continuing to move off to the northeast, well away from the mid-Atlantic. However, abundant moisture in the boundary layer, as well as some impacts from this, is helping to aid with our low clouds we've been seeing across the area. But we do have some weak high pressure that's going to be building into the region as we go into tonight, and that's going to help to clear things out tonight and help to bring some drier weather in. Let's take a look at our satellite loop this morning. You can very clearly see that low that's well off Cape Hatteras continuing to move off to the northeast. Still seeing abundant low clouds across the Delmarva this morning, but we are starting to see some clearing across northern and central Virginia, and that will slowly make its way here. It does look like it's going to be cloudy through about 4 p.m. and then quickly clearing out after that, becoming mostly clear tonight. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing some variable winds at the surface earlier. They were northeast at 11 knots. Currently, they are northwesterly. Just above the surface, though, we're seeing those winds generally westerly to west-southwest across the remainder of the column, running around 15 to 20 knots between 3,000 and 9,000 feet, and then 35 knots or so at the 12,000 foot level, and then maxing out at 65 knots at 25,000 feet with a freezing level of 14,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing a high of 63 degrees this afternoon, just slightly above average for this time of year. Northwesterly winds are 5 to 10 knots this morning. They will increase a bit this afternoon to 8 to 13 knots and slightly gusty before weakening back down to 5 to 10 knots this evening and into the overnight hours, and then becoming 3 to 8 knots from the northwest by sunrise tomorrow morning. We are going to be looking at a low tomorrow morning of 42 degrees, which is fairly seasonable for this time of year. Like I said, going to continue to see these low clouds through the remainder of the morning hours and into the early afternoon. We are currently seeing overcast clouds at 300 feet with 2 statute miles of visibility. We'll see conditions slowly improve as we go over the next several hours. By 2 p.m., we'll start to see those ceilings lift above 500 feet, and then by 4 p.m. things look to clear out pretty quickly, becoming a few at 1,500, broken at 3,000 by 4 or 5 p.m., and then by 8 p.m. just seeing a few clouds at 3,000 feet, a few at 25,000, and then just seeing a few cirrus clouds for much of the overnight hours. And then by mid-morning tomorrow, seeing just a few clouds at 2,500 feet, scattered at 25,000. We are seeing tides a little bit higher than normal due to the residual impacts from that low that is off of Cape Hatteras. Let's take a look at our long-range weather model to show you how the weather pattern will be progressing. This is going to this afternoon. We'll start to see high pressure build into the area, as you can see, and that's going to help to usher in a drier air mass into the region, helping to clear these clouds out. That's going to give us a very pleasant seasonable day tomorrow with seasonal temperatures and mostly sunny skies, so should be a very nice day tomorrow. And then as we go on to Saturday night, we're going to see that high pressure move east of the area. That's going to allow a south to southeasterly flow returning to the region, and that'll help to usher in a little bit more moisture once again, as well as increasing our temperatures a bit for Sunday. And that's going to be ahead of our next cold front you can see approaching the area here. This is Sunday afternoon. We'll see things get a little bit breezy with these prefrontal southerly winds as we go into Sunday afternoon, and then with the frontal passage Sunday evening into Sunday night, we're going to see just about a 50% chance or so of some scattered showers across the region. But that rain should be out of here by sunrise Monday, and we're going to see high pressure start to build into the southeast on Monday. Could be a little bit breezy Monday as that high pressure tightens up the pressure gradient as it builds into the area, but it is going to help to clear things out, giving us a mostly clear day. And then a little bit chilly as we're going to have a cooler air mass settling in for Monday into Tuesday, especially into Tuesday as we get this additional dry cold front moving through. Can't rule out a sprinkle as we go into Tuesday, but it's looking unlikely. It just looks like it's going to give us a reinforcing shot of cold air for the middle of next week. And then as we go into the middle to end of next week, looks like high pressure is going to remain in control, giving us some seasonable conditions and dry weather. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, cloudy today with a high of 63. Tomorrow's going to be very seasonable with a high of 57. And then Sunday, we're going to be looking at our low occurring early Saturday evening, with temperatures slowly rising with that approaching front, giving us those southerly winds Saturday into Sunday. So Sunday is going to be a little bit more milder with highs in the upper 60s to near 70. It's going to be breezy as well with those prefrontal winds. Then Sunday night, we're going to be looking at scattered showers with that frontal passage, seeing a low of 45 degrees Monday and then a high of 58 under mostly sunny skies. Tuesday is going to be partly to maybe perhaps mostly cloudy, a little bit chilly out there with the breezy conditions and the temperature of 57, and then we'll see a cooler air mass come in as we go into the middle to end of next week, with highs in the upper 40s to near 50 for Wednesday and Thursday, and lows close to freezing for both of those mornings. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.